kids! Today we're going to learn numbers 1 to 10. Let's get started. 1. O-N-E 1. One car. Let's count it. 1. Beep beep. Off it goes. 2. T-W-O 2. 2 balloons. 1 balloon. 2 balloons. Up they float into the sky. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 3 ice cream cones. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. Which flavor do you like? 4. F-O-U-R 4. 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crunchy and sweet. Who's ready for a bite? 5. F-I-V-E 5. 5 ducks. Quack, quack. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're heading to the pond. 6. S-I-X 6. 6 toy trains. Choo choo. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All aboard. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 7 stars. Twinkle, twinkle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8 cupcakes. Some tasty treats. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one will you pick? 9. N-I-N-E 9. 9 puppies. Woof woof. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. T-E-N 10. 10 candies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yum! Okay friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.